If you're wondering how to use Tenable for PCI-DSS compliance, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll break down how Tenable can help you meet PCI-DSS requirements, safeguard sensitive payment data, and simplify your compliance journey. Stick around until the end for an exclusive bonus that could save you time and money. First off, Tenable is a cybersecurity platform that specializes in vulnerability management. When it comes to PCI-DSS compliance, Tenable can be a game changer. The software allows you to continuously assess your systems to ensure they meet the strict security standards required for PCI-DSS compliance. Next thing, Tenable's vulnerability scanning is one of its standout features. PCI-DSS mandates regular scanning of systems to identify potential security risks. With Tenable, you can set up automated scans to detect vulnerabilities within your network and IT infrastructure. These scans cover a wide range of potential threats, including open ports, outdated software, and missing patches, helping you stay compliant with the PCI-DSS requirement to conduct these scans regularly. The third thing Tenable excels at is its comprehensive reporting. When you're working toward PCI-DSS compliance, documentation and reports are key. Tenable provides detailed reports that outline vulnerabilities, assign risk levels, and offer remediation steps, which makes it easier to document your compliance efforts for audits. This not only saves you time, but also helps ensure you have everything in order for PCI-DSS validation. Next, let's talk about asset discovery. PCI-DSS requires you to have an accurate inventory of all systems that store, process, or transmit payment card information. Tenable offers automated asset discovery that can identify all the devices and systems connected to your network. This ensures that you have a clear understanding of what needs to be secured for compliance, reducing the risk of overlooking vulnerable systems. The fifth thing, Tenable also integrates well with other security tools. You can integrate it with your SIEM, security information and event management, systems, ticketing systems, and other IT infrastructure management tools. This means you get a more comprehensive view of your security posture and can respond more effectively to any vulnerabilities. Lastly, you can use Tenable completely free through our exclusive link in the description below, which will give you access to a limited-time extended trial with extra bonuses. This will allow you to explore all of Tenable's features for PCI-DSS compliance and see firsthand how it can work for your organization. So, to sum it up, Tenable simplifies vulnerability scanning, offers automated asset discovery, provides clear and actionable reporting, and integrates seamlessly with your existing security stack, all of which are critical for achieving and maintaining PCI-DSS compliance. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial offer in the link below. Try out Tenable today and ensure your organization meets PCI-DSS compliance with ease.